Welcome to the next video. In the previous video, we have created a block, the outer profile of the rectangular joystick. Now we will be utilizing the same block and we will be dividing it into two pieces, the upper cover and the lower cover. And we will be saving those parts in respective folders and we will be utilizing those parts for further operations. Alright, so we will just, as I'm already working in my working directory, I'll just go to open. So automatically I'm directed to the working directory which I have derived or which I have defined in the beginning, and I'll just go to the block joystick and open over here, and you will be having the block which we have created. Now the first thing is we will be dividing this block into two parts. All right, so let us just reanalyze what are the dimensions. We have this option in the model tree, and the step what we have performed is visible, the extrude number 1, and select that extrude. You'll be having a pop-up window. Go to this dimension option and you'll be getting 0.8 inches, 8 and 3 inches. Now the division of the upper cover and the lower cover is dependent on the manufacturability. It is always desired to have a uniform division so that it is easy to manufacture. And what I'll be doing therefore is I will be dividing the upper block exactly by half of 0.80, so that the lower block is also 0.80 inches. And we will be just coming over here and clicking extrude command, select this one. Now I want to leave the upper block as it is, so I need to create some sketch in the bottom block, and I will be utilizing the midpoint constraints automatically. All right, and press OK. Change the direction, it automatically removes off. Select up to the next surface. Now this is the upper block which I have created. I'll just go to file, save as upper block, and new file name must be upper underscore block. Save it and come back again. Select the surface, align to normal, click extrude. Now we will be going with the lower block, so I'll start my rectangular from here, go to the midpoint, zoom out, move my cursor and place it over there. So the upper block is selected and which will be removed at this moment. Up to the next surface. We have this lower block right now. Save as, change the folder to lower block or lower cover and write the new name as lower underscore cover. Now we have created two objects which we will be using further for adding different engineering features. All right, so in this video we have divided those things, and let us move to the next video and utilize the upper cover or the upper block and perform the different operations on that. Let us just catch up in the next video.